Okay. So everyone know very well the Hiroshima Nagasaki. Nagasaki. Oh, sorry. That bomb. The related animate video we can see.
I saw an aircraft, like a tiny silver drop, entering the sky above Hiroshima. I instantly recognized it as an American plane, as no Japanese aircraft could fly at that altitude at the time. It was just one plane, so I assumed that it was passing by as usual.
And I was counting. 1, 2, 3.
I was wiping the desktop. That was when the bomb was dropped.
It took about 45 seconds from the time the bomb left the airplane until it exploded. And I think there wasn't a man in the airplane that wasn't either timing it with his watch or counting or doing something. I was sure the bomb was a dud. I was sure it wasn't going to work.
After falling for 43 seconds, the time and barometric triggers started the firing mechanism. A uranium bullet fired down a barrel into a uranium target. Together, they started a nuclear chain reaction. Solid matter began to come apart, releasing untold quantities of energy.
Actually, this is recreated, ma. Okay, we can't believe that much effect it is. See that one small picture it is, that is a real. So this is the process. Nuclear bomb, the chain reaction process. See that? in this person. This is actual pottage. Nothing. It is very dangerous. Same process in controlled manner we are using for nuclear reactors. In Kodonkulam it is a controlled manner. This is uncontrolled. So we already completed atoms. Now we'll discuss about nucleic. Okay. Radioactivity. So radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. All the elements with atomic number greater than 82, it will emit the radioactivity. That is alpha, beta, gamma particle. It will emit the emission of alpha, beta, gamma particle. So it is called as radioactivity. Now my question, what is alpha particle, beta particle, gamma ray? What is alpha particle? Last class we discussed alpha, beta, gamma.
It is positive.
Alpha is the helium, beta minus beta plus it is there. Okay, and the gamma, there is a no positive charge, there is no negative charge, only radiation. Yeah, very good, Mukesh Kumar. So this statement is very important now. What is the radioactivity means? It is discovered by Henry Becquerel. All the elements with atomic number greater than 82 are neutrally radioactive. The radioactivity may be defined the spontaneous disintegration of the atom. Spontaneous disintegration of atom, that means it will emit, the emission will be there. Alpha, beta, gamma emission will be there. The external condition of temperature, pressure, electric and magnetic field do not change the rate of disintegration. Rate of disintegration means, listen, first one ball it is there. In this ball, weight 100 gram. The ball weight 100 gram. After 10 days, after the 10 days, the ball weight reduced to 50%. So every 10 days, a ball weight reduced by 50%. So 100 gram. After 10 days, it is 50 gram. Again, after 10 days, 25 grams, next 12.5, like that. So every 10 days it will reduce. It is called as disintegration. Something in the pattern also that 10 days means 50%. Some element it is not a proper pattern. So 10 days it will reduce maximum. After the 10 days it is reduced minimum. Some difference it is there. That and all we'll discuss one by one. First, what is radioactive? And the statement is very important. Okay. A particular radioactivity element can emit either alpha particle or beta particle, but never both. However, gamma ray can emit by the pure gamma emitter or alpha emitter or beta emitter. Okay, this one induced radioactivity. Induced radioactivity is discovered by Marie Curie. Florence Curie and her husband Marie Curie. Okay, up to that, take a notes. The remaining things I will tell you. Okay. Listen. Statistical radioactive decay law. Actually, it is an unstable nucleus. For example, carbon 612. It is stable. Unstable means carbon 613. So this is the unstable condition. Unstable nucleus called mother. It emit the particle and decay into the nuclear. It called daughter. I will write one small derivation. Okay. First X, one element it is atomic number 83. It is approximate mass number 163 something. Okay. The N01 it is. So this is the mother nucleus. After we'll get daughter. It is a new young one. Y 83 134. Otherwise, Y 43 80 plus Z 40 54. So this is the data. Maybe in one or in many, and some energy also with the energy also. So in this process is applicable. See that from the death of mother, the daughter is born. So it is applicable. So this is the law of disintegration. The rate of disintegration, it is equal to dN by dt. The rate of disintegration equal to dN by dt. What is N? That is the disintegration. I said no, see here. First 100 gram it is after the 10 days 50 gram, after the 10 days 25, after the 10 12.5. So this is a process. The rate of disintegration is proportional to the number of nucleus present. The rate of disintegration is proportional to the number of nuclei present at that instant. In this word is very important. At that instant. So at that instant means first time it is 100. Next 10 days it is a 50. In between you are counting. Maybe 7th day or 8th day means that particular nucleus you want to take. So disintegration, the negative is indicate reducing. The formula minus dN by dt directly proportional to n. It is directly proportional to moving purpose. I will add one constant, that is a lambda. So lambda is called disintegration constant. I need only n. So n equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Okay. What is n naught means? That is the unstable mother nucleic starting time. Unstable mother nucleic, that is called as n naught. First listen, this derivation part again I will teach. Okay. So next one, activity, radioactivity of a radioactivity material defined as the rate of disintegration per second. Rate of disintegration per second. So it is called as activity. So A is equal to minus dN by dt. So n equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Again dN by dt. It is n. It is equal to n directly proportional dN by dt. So that I am writing dn by dt equal to n naught minus lambda. In this directly moving purpose, we will get lambda. So minus lambda e power minus lambda t. So after you will get minus lambda n. So a value a equal to lambda n. We should have known it. A naught means at the start, the activity at start, at 100 gram as it is now, starting time. It is equal to lambda n naught. N naught means that is a mother nucleus. So A means after the radioactivity. So A divided by A naught. It is equal to n divided by n naught. The value equal to e power minus lambda t. Then I need only A. So A equal to A naught e power minus lambda t. For activity and radioactive decay. So both are also similar. So this is some units. 1 Curie, 1 Rutherford, 1 Becquerel, 1 Curie. So it is equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. 1 Rutherford, 10 power 6 disintegration per second. 1 Becquerel, disintegration per second. Okay, listen. Isotope, isopar. What is isotope? Isotopes. Anybody know that isotope? Example.
The same element but different mass number.
Same element, different
Mass number.
mass number. The atom of element which have same atomic number. Same atomic number. Please note it, ma. Same atomic number. But different mass number. It is called as isotopes. Example, hydrogen. H11, H12, H13. So this is here same atomic number. So in down, that is the atomic number. This is mass number. Different mass number, but same atomic number. It is called as isotopes. Clear? And one more example also. Lithium. Lithium atomic number, you know very well, 3. Mass number 6. And a lithium 3, 7 also there. So it is called as isotopes. It is the unstable condition. That H11 it is no. H11 means in nucleus it consists of one proton. In outer one electron it is there. That is H11. Second one H12. H12 means in outer one electron, but inside the nucleus one proton and one neutron it is there. One electron, one proton, one neutron. So that you will get H13, sorry, 12. H12. Next, H13. So H13 means in outer one electron it is there. Inside one proton. Proton and electron it is maximum, it is balanced. So remainder only it is variable. So two neutron it is. So it is called as H13. Clear? Same for lithium also. 3 electron in outside, 3 electrons, 3 proton. First one lithium 3,6. Lithium 3,7 means 3 electrons, 3 protons, and 4 neutrons. So this is for lithium. Take a notes. Isotope. So next we will discuss isobar. It is opposite. First this one, please note it. Okay, next one, isobar. Listen. So isobar, same mass number but different atomic number. The atom having the same mass number, but different atomic number. Example, hydrogen. H13 it is there. Helium also there. Helium 2,3. It is unstable condition. So atomic both have the same atomic number. Sorry, mass number. Mass number 3. And one more example, calcium. Calcium 2040. Argon, AR 1840. 40. So A value 40. And one more example.
Potassium.
Chlorine, Cl 1737. So many it is that you can mention any two enough. Sulfur 1637. Okay. So remainder things we'll discuss next class. That is isotones. So now we'll discuss what is radioactivity. Next, law of radioactivity. After we discuss the isobar, isotones. Take a notes. Thank you.